Welcome back to the Smart Start Squad. Today, we're stepping into the captivating world of the manipulative area in our classroom. This treasure trove of hands-on toys and tools offers children a plethora of opportunities for growth and development. Join us on this educational journey as we dive deep into the skills and benefits that manipulative play provides. Let's start with one of the foundational aspects of manipulative play, the development of fine motor skills. As children engage with toys like wooden stackers, lacing boards, and pattern blocks, they're not only having fun, but also honing their hand-eye coordination and dexterity. These skills are essential for tasks such as writing, drawing, and tying shoelaces. Manipulative toys are often like mini puzzles waiting to be solved. When kids tackle challenges like fitting together intricate Lego creations or arranging shape blocks to complete a picture, they're engaging in problem-solving at its finest. Furthermore, these activities foster spatial awareness, the ability to understand and manipulate objects in three-dimensional space, an invaluable skill for math, engineering, and more. The manipulative area is a haven for creativity and imagination. Here, children can build entire worlds with building blocks, craft fantastical stories with figurines, and design intricate structures with magnet tiles. This imaginative play not only nurtures creativity, but also encourages kids to think beyond the confines of reality, fostering innovation and out-of-the-box thinking. But the benefits of manipulative play go beyond individual development. Many of these toys invite collaboration and cooperation. When children work together to build a towering structure or complete a challenging puzzle, they're learning important social skills such as communication, teamwork, and problem-solving in a group context. In addition to the creativity and social development, manipulative toys can also serve as early math tools. Counting blocks help children grasp numerical concepts, while pattern blocks introduce them to shapes, symmetry, and spatial relationships. These experiences provide a strong cognitive foundation for future math learning. Manipulative play often engages multiple senses. From the tactile experience of wooden stackers to the visual stimulation of colorful pattern blocks, children's senses are fully awakened. This multisensory exploration is crucial for their sensory development and understanding of the world around them. And there you have it, the multifaceted world of manipulative play and the diverse range of skills it nurtures. From fine motor skills to problem-solving abilities, creativity, social development, early math concepts, and sensory stimulation. This area is a goldmine of learning opportunities. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the manipulative area. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into another fascinating aspect of early childhood development. Until then, keep nurturing those curious minds.